Every performance begins with a song and a character. I am Idina Menzel. You might know me as Elsa from Frozen, or Elphaba from Wicked, or Maureen from Rent. From Disney all the way to Broadway, I have tried to bring to life some pretty amazing songs and characters. These performances may seem effortless to you, but really, they're not. I'm nervous while I'm doing this. Totally cool if that's how you feel. In this class, I'm gonna show you everything I do before I step on stage. And it's probably not what you think. It's not just singing a song, but discovering a song. There's so much more to a great performance than being a great singer. You have to really understand the character intimately. Who is it that's singing this song? Okay, so we're gonna try what I like to call a song character exercise. This is a love song for her. She's trying to fix the world. This was my dream come true, and now it's all going bad. Nothing to my mind.
That is creepy.
There's a lot going on. Oh, come on. Dude, I won't be able to replace you. That one took me in a place I wasn't expecting. Next, I prepare the hell out of a song. I learn it as written, and then I mess around.
And then you make it yours. Yeah.
So we started in what key?
B flat.
A key is so much more than just your range. A key is about emotion. What does that mean, nothing does?
Yeah, there's more determination behind that.
And when you've done all of that work, when you're able to just let go of all that stuff and be in the moment, that's when the character begins to emerge from the performance. In this class, I show you my process, but it isn't about learning how to be me. I've learned that it's all about who you are as a human being in your work, and that's what people are really seeing. At its essence, this class is about uncovering what makes you unique and channeling that into your performance. It's about finding your own voice. It's about what makes you tick, the life you've lived, the lessons you've learned, and who you are. I am Idina Menzel, and welcome to my studio.